Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals. If this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. All right, you guys, I've done something a little unconventional. I used fingernail polish. Yes, I did. I had these two fingernail polishes, and I was just playing around, and I thought, well, let me just try this. And I really like how it turned out, and I thought you might enjoy it as well. So this is what I made. I have not decorated them yet. I just got them on there. So let me show you how I did this. So I go to digitalcollage.com and I printed out some sheets of flowers. That's what I chose to do. And then I fussy cut them, and I have all different pieces of flowers that I used. Even have a one with a bumblebee and a butterfly, all different kinds, as you can see, just all different little pieces. So then I went ahead and I cut some cardstock, and I went ahead and I picked some out that were two-sided. This one's really pretty, I think, on both sides, and that is what I think we're going to use for this project. So let me just take and push this over to the side, and let's go ahead and take our rounder, our corner rounder, and let's round the corners here quickly. There we go. Just a bit more. I think this one's so attractive. I thought we might use this part of the decoration. I don't know. I'm not sure what we're doing here. We're just playing around. So let's see. The word is straight up this way. Let's do it like, okay, like this. This for first one right here. So let's see. That's really pretty on there. And maybe we can just do some little pieces on this one. We don't have to maybe do a whole flower. Maybe just do some pieces. I'm not sure. Maybe not. I've got this one. That's a lot of pink going on there. Let's see. That's nice. Could do it over to the side like this and cut part of it off. We could do that as well. All right, so this is what I did next. We've selected those two to work with, and then what I did was get my little piece of paper here. I inked this up just to get the bright white off. I didn't want it to be bright white. So let's just work on getting that toned down just a tad. And then let's tone this one down just a tad. Just a little bit. There we go. Just like that. Let's go ahead and ink this. Get my glue stick. Are. And let's put that just really kind of in the middle there. I think that's very pretty. Just like that. And then let's do this one. And I really think I might do this one just half. And we'll cut the other part off. Whoopsie. There we are. Just half of it. No, I'm not. It's really more than half, but you know what I'm trying to say, don't you? Okay. And we'll cut that off. There we are. Now, let's go ahead and use this color. It's the golden color one on the one that's mostly golden. Man, is that a short little brush or what? Let's go ahead and put that on there. It's really just kind of like putting some glitter on it, but most everyone has fingernail polish, and if you don't, when you go to Walmart, you can pick up some inexpensive, clear, sparkly, some type of sparkly, I mean, because you're not covering up everything, you're just highlighting it with a little bit of sparkles. There, that is so pretty. See that? Catches the light. That's so pretty. And I'm going to set that aside right there to dry while we do this one. I'll go ahead and use the other color on this one. Yeah, I was just thinking, oh, what can I do that's different? And I looked over and I saw my fingernail polish and went, oh, well, we're going to try that. So if you do a lot of these in a row, paint a lot of your fuzzy cuts out in a row, then you will need to turn on a fan, because when I first did it, it was like, oh my, I see why nail salons have that they're well ventilated, because definitely it was getting a little asphyxiating. So do turn on a fan. Let me do the edge here a little bit better. There, cover it all. There we go. I just used, this is inexpensive. This is called LA Colors Glitter Bash. I don't even know what color it is. Maybe Coronation. That could be the color. I'm not sure. This one actually is Sally Henson's Diamond Strength. It's called Diamonds. So that's what I used. But like I said, you can use whatever. All right. So let's go back to this one. It dries pretty fast, you know. Fingernail polish dries pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and start decorating this. I brought a couple of things over towards me to see if I can, like, we could do some doilies on this one. We could put maybe a little bit of lace at, oh, let's get you in frame. That would help. Lace on the top, like that. That's pretty. I've got some of this cheesecloth that we could put down. We could actually put it kind of cattywampus on there. That's pretty. I kind of like that. Let's cut a little piece of this. Just like that. And what else could we do? I've even got some stamps here. Let's see if I have a gold stamp by chance. There's a brown stamp. There's a green one. Let's see here if we can find a stamp that we like that will work. Here's a pretty brown stamp. That one's pretty. We could do that. Just giving us some ideas here of what we can do. Put my stamps back in here real quick before they spill all over the floor. And then I have other issues. These were my father's stamps. He liked to collect them. Alrighty. Let's look for maybe some pearls. Well, that might be pretty to put a few pearls on. I bought these at Walmart. They come in these tubes, which is really nice because they have a screw-on lid. So you really can keep them organized. All right, let's go ahead and start putting this together. So let's get our glue pad. I'm going to push my sleeves up just a little bit. Let's get our glue pad. And let's glue the doily down first. I hope everyone's doing wonderful today. It's still cold here, but it's at least it's sunny. At least it's a very beautiful sunny day. Chilly, but sunny. It's not raining like it had been. How about that? That looks good. Yeah, I'm liking that. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put this down first, the cheesecloth. I'm just going to run a little bit of glue right there and put this cheesecloth right down on top. You know how cheesecloth is. It's kind of a pain to work with, but it does give a nice look to your pieces. It really does. So I guess we'll put up with its awkwardness. It's okay. That's very, very pretty. So now let's see. We're going to put maybe the lace on top like this. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So let's go ahead and get our quick dry fabric. This is Fabric Fusion. Get us a little glue there on top and lay this right here, just like that. And let's go ahead and give us some, do some pearls. How about if we just put one, the glue has tentacles, strings. Oh, we need a little bit better glue right there. That wasn't a big enough plop. Alrighty, let's plop that down. And let's go ahead and get a little glue on our pin. And that way we can put it over there. That helps me a great deal. Oh, that is really sweet, guys. What do you think? I like it. All right, let's finish the other one. Here we are. We have this one now. Let's see what we can use for this one. Let's get it a different kind of tag. Let's give it a pull like this. We'll give it that kind of pull tag. And you just put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue on the other side. Wipe off that glue that got on my... Here we are. That's nice. So after your fingernail polish dries, you can go ahead and sew it if you like. If you like to do that kind of thing. I don't think I like that and that together. That doesn't look so good, I don't think. But you might need to take this and maybe rip it, tear us a piece maybe. And let's see. Maybe like that, maybe like this, or maybe like this. Maybe if we just totally reverse it and put it like that. I think it needs to be a little skinnier. I'll have to work with this just a little bit. Okay, what do you think of that? Okay, let's see here. Now what can we do? How about if we put maybe a butterfly on this one? And we can put a little word that says believe. We We could do that. That looks good. We could use some of this type of bling on it. Alrighty, so what we'll need to do is we will need to ink. Let me get my pearls out of the way here. I don't want to lose them. We can ink up our torn pieces on the sides here. Torn pieces. We ink up our butterfly. Now you could go ahead and paint that butterfly as well with the fingernail polish. Let's do that after we get it glued down. And let's use the gold. We use the silver with the flower. Let's try the gold with use the two together and see how that looks. This is all an experiment. Like I said, it's pretty unconventional, but use what you've got. Use what you have. And let's put down the believe, just like that. Let's go ahead and get the butterfly. Put the butterfly right there, like that. That's very sweet. And you could, like I said, sew around it if you like that look of the sew. How about 3 pieces of bling right at the body of the butterfly? What's that going to look like? Let's get our little pointer again and get this off of here. Here we are. Oh, I think that looks very, very sweet. All right, now we said we were going to use the gold. So let's go ahead and see how it looks on the butterfly. Now go ahead and I'll put some on this believe just for fun. We're just having fun anyway. There we are. Now let's take a look at how it looks. I really like it, guys. I think it's something fun. It's something different. It's something that you probably have. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.